In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost a post on LinkedIn. Whether you've come across a compelling article, an insightful post, or a thought-provoking comment, sometimes you just want to share it with your own network. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. Begin by heading over to linkedin.com. If you're not yet logged in, you'll need to sign in. You have the option to use Google or Microsoft credentials, or you can simply enter your email address and password. In case you have two-factor authentication set up, remember that LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. They'll likely send a code to your phone, so keep your device handy. Once you're all logged in, it's time to locate the post you wish to share. You can find it either in your feed if you're scrolling through new updates, or on someone's profile if you're revisiting previous interactions. Now, here's what you need to look for. There's a repost icon right below the post. It generally resembles an arrow pointing upwards. When you click on this icon, you're presented with two distinct options. The first option is simply repost. Selecting this will share the original content directly to your network without adding any additional text. This is a great option if you feel the post stands powerfully on its own. However, if you have thoughts or insights you'd like to add, there's another choice that might be more appealing for you. This second option is repost with your thoughts. Opting for this means you can personalize your share with commentary or contextual insights that you feel will engage your audience further. Upon choosing to repropose with your thoughts, a pop-up window appears allowing deeper interaction. In this area, you can draft your commentary and tag people or companies who may find the post relevant. Additionally, you can adjust the settings to decide who exactly will be able to see your repost, be it just your connections, the public, or a selected set. When you've added your personal touch, or simply decided to share the post as is, it's as easy as clicking post. And just like that, the content is now shared with your network, ready to ignite conversation or spread valuable information. You've just successfully reposted on LinkedIn, a great way to stay active within your professional network and showcase what matters to you. Remember, consistent interaction on LinkedIn not only builds your presence, but also extends your professional reach. So the next time you find something worth sharing, go ahead and follow these steps. Thank you for watching, and happy reposting.